Hi, my name's Chuck Woken, Stearns County Park Director. On behalf of Stearns County, I'd like to welcome you to Quarry Park and Nature Preserve. Let's take a hike. See for yourself why Quarry Park and Nature Preserve is one of the most unique county parks in the entire country. Its 30 abandoned granite quarries create reflecting pools throughout the park. A swimming hole 116 feet deep. Mountain bike paths that weave over billion-year-old bedrock. Scientific, natural areas, endangered orchids, hike deep into woods left behind decades ago. The park leaves a testimonial to the past nickname of the nitty-gritty Granite City. Quarry Park was once the home of dozens of granite quarrying companies in the early 1900s. Families chipped their living out of bedrock found throughout Stearns County. Once the home of a dozen granite companies, Quarry Park bears the mark of a busy industrial past. Remnant rock piles reflect the ambition of stonecutters to supply foundation rock, building stone, and pavers for a growing population. At 170 pounds per cubic foot, granite ruled for turn-of-the-century bridge piers and trolley car routes. Stone from this park may easily have made it into St. Paul's historic treasure, the Landmark Center. Your support can be as easy as contacting your elected officials and expressing your support for continued improvements at Quarry Park. Quarry Park and Nature Preserve. It's just off Trunk Highway 23 in White Park. It provides room for family fun, but also the allure for young adults to mountain bike, scuba dive, swim in 116-foot deep granite pools, fish rainbows, ski in the moonlight. With your help, one of the country's most unique county parks, Quarry Park and Nature Preserve, can grow better.